Good evening everyone, my name is Haidar, and in order for you to watch pirated movie more safely or more secure, you need to use virtual machine. Now there are three ways of using virtual machine in Windows that is relatively easy. Starting from the one would be using the like of VirtualBox or VMware. The second one would be using Windows Sandbox, which I will show you in this video. So you need to click the start button, the start icon, either using the left mouse click to the icon like so, and then you type in feature, F-E-A-T. Usually typing fit would result in Windows showing you the turn Windows features on or off. So this is the option, this is the settings that we need to adjust, because we will turn on the Windows Sandbox service. So we left click on this one and you need to wait, and then we scroll down to the bottom carefully until you see the option Windows Sandbox. Now in this computer, in my computer, I already turned on the Windows Sandbox, but for you, you need to check the checkbox on this Windows Sandbox. If I hover to the option or the surface, it says in. Okay, that's weird. Enables the dependency required to run Windows Sandbox scenario. So Windows Sandbox is like a virtual, it's like a computer inside your computer, but every time you close it, it will destroy itself. So it's a virtual machine that is relatively cheap in terms of the storage usage. So I believe it's cheap. I haven't done any research on it yet, so I need to learn more about it. After you tick the checkbox or enable it like so, like in this video, you hit OK, and then it will show you the message. I'm sorry, not show the message, show you the pop-up box that says enabling this service now, and then you will see the progress bar, and then you will be asked to restart your computer. So restart your computer. You could restart the computer now, or you could restart your computer later. It depends on you. So after that, after you restart the computer, go ahead and click the start icon again using the left click on your mouse, or you could use the Windows key, the same logo as the Windows. So let's say I use the keyboard like so, and then you type in send. Usually it will result in the best match, that is Windows Sandbox. It means that you have successfully enabled the Windows Sandbox feature in your Windows machine. And I believe Windows Sandbox is available to Windows 10 and Windows 11 Professional Edition. I have not tried the Home Edition, so I need more info on that. You can comment on this video later on. And let's click Windows Sandbox. Wait for a bit, and here you go, a virtual machine that is running Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10 on your computer, if I recall, the Windows Sandbox would be in Windows 10. It could be different, so let me know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. And let's go use the default browser, Microsoft Edge. Let's click on this one. Oh, if you want the Windows Sandbox to be full screen, you could do so by clicking the maximize logo, the maximize icon typically found in Windows. And if you want to hide this nav bar or header, you could left click the pin icon, that if you hover on it, it will say unpin, no, not connection bar, unpin the connection bar, I believe. So you could do that, and then you maximize the browser. And next we want to install AdBlock, because it's never be safe to be sorry. You could never be safe for you could never be too safe. What am I talking about? I'm sorry guys, English is not my first language and I rarely speak in English, so this video is also my attempt to speak more in English. We have installed the uBlock Origin, and then let's say we want to watch the newest movie, for example. Let's go with, I'm using Sflix, by the way. Let's say I want to watch Deadpool, and then hit the search icon, click on this one. Let's click on this one, and maybe let's choose the upload server. Sharing is caring. Let's close the pop-up. We don't want to share it. Well, this video is already sharing the site, I guess. Okay, let me pin the extension to show you how important using AdBlock to browse the web in general. And as you can see, we could play the movie, you could play the video or TV series, whatever you choose, smoothly. This heavily depends on your computer or laptop. I recommend you using computer or laptop with 4-core and 8-thread processor. So like Intel i3 if you are in desktop side, like Intel i3 10100, or if you are using Ryzen, that would be Ryzen 3. If it's laptop, yes, you could use the Ryzen 3 or Intel i5, I believe, that has at least 4-core and 8-thread. And I think that's all that I could show to you about how you could watch movie online with additional layer of security using virtual machine, because we both knew that there are a lot of ads inside a site inside this pirated movie site like this, and a lot of those ads, if you accidentally click it, would open a phishing link or straight up malware sites. So it's best to be careful, and thank you for watching this video.